The impact of morning habits on health. After 70. As we age, our bodies go through a variety of changes, some of which may affect our daily routines and habits. What once felt harmless in our younger years can become a source of concern as we enter our senior years. For people over 70, it's important to recognize how seemingly small morning habits can contribute to significant health risks, including heart problems, falls, digestive issues, and even cognitive decline. The good news is that these risks are not inevitable. By making small but thoughtful changes to your morning routine, you can safeguard your health and well-being, reducing the likelihood of these dangerous issues. In this video, we'll dive into 4 common morning mistakes that people over 70 often make, sometimes without even realizing the risks involved. These mistakes can impact various aspects of your health, from your cardiovascular system to your balance and brain function. The best part? These habits are easy to adjust, and making these changes could dramatically improve your quality of life. Let's explore how these common morning errors may be affecting your health and what you can do to prevent them. Mistake 1. Getting out of bed too quickly. As we age, it's common to underestimate how much our body needs time to adjust after a night of rest. One of the most dangerous mistakes people over 70 make is getting out of bed too quickly. This seemingly innocent action can result in a dangerous phenomenon known as orthostatic hypotension. This condition, where blood pressure suddenly drops when standing up from a sitting or lying position, is a major cause of dizziness and fainting in older adults. The National Institutes of Health (NIH) states that approximately 20% of adults over 65 suffer from orthostatic hypotension, and the condition significantly increases the risk of falls, which are the leading cause of injury in older adults. Hirsch et al., 2020. As you sleep, blood accumulates in your legs and lower extremities, and when you suddenly stand up, gravity works against you, causing blood to pool and your heart to pump harder to compensate. For seniors, this can cause dizziness, blurred vision, or even a sudden fainting episode. In many cases, these moments of imbalance can lead to devastating falls, especially if you're not prepared to stabilize yourself. This phenomenon is not just about the act of standing up too quickly. It's also about how your body's circulation system, which naturally slows with age, needs a few moments to readjust. And while some may attribute this dizziness to simply getting older, it's often a symptom of a much larger issue: poor circulation or low blood pressure. How to fix it? Start your day with a more deliberate approach. When you wake up, don't rush to stand up immediately. Start by taking a few deep breaths and gently wiggling your fingers and toes. This activates circulation and helps your body adjust to the new upright position. Then, slowly roll onto your side and sit up, keeping your feet planted on the floor. Stay seated for a few moments, stretching your legs and engaging in gentle ankle rotations. When you stand, do so slowly and steadily, using a sturdy surface for support if necessary. This simple routine reduces your risk of dizziness and minimizes the chances of a fall. Not only does this help your body adjust safely, but it's also an opportunity to check in with how you feel before the day gets busy. This habit may seem small, but it could be the key to preventing life-changing falls and maintaining independence. Mistake 2. Skipping water in the morning. Hydration is fundamental to good health at any age, but it's especially crucial for those over 70. After hours of sleep, your body enters a state of mild dehydration. During the night, we lose water through respiration, sweat, and other bodily functions, but we don't replenish those fluids until we wake up. For seniors, this morning dehydration can be particularly harmful. According to research published by the National Academy of Sciences, older adults are more susceptible to dehydration, as the body's thirst mechanism weakens with age. Morgan, 2018. When your body is dehydrated, it struggles to function properly. Blood circulation slows down, your muscles stiffen, and your brain doesn't perform at its peak. If you don't hydrate soon after waking up, you risk impairing your heart function, reducing energy levels, and even increasing the likelihood of serious health events like strokes or heart attacks. Dehydration can also affect your digestive system, leading to constipation or slower metabolism. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that proper hydration can improve blood circulation, kidney function, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. Bickler et al., 2020. Conversely, inadequate hydration has been linked to higher blood pressure, slower metabolic rate, and greater susceptibility to strokes, all of which are concerns as we age. How to fix it? The solution is simple yet incredibly effective. Start your day by drinking a glass of water before reaching for coffee or breakfast. You might feel sluggish or dry-mouthed upon waking, but this is your body's way of telling you it needs hydration. Drinking water helps your blood flow smoothly, ensuring better circulation to your organs and muscles. It also helps keep your kidneys working properly and reduces strain on your heart. If you prefer warm beverages, warm water with a squeeze of lemon is a gentle way to hydrate and stimulate your metabolism. Mistake 3. Drinking coffee before eating. For many people, the morning ritual isn't complete until they've had their first cup of coffee. However, drinking coffee on an empty stomach can have serious long-term consequences, especially for seniors. First, coffee is acidic and can irritate the stomach lining, leading to acid reflux or gastritis, inflammation of the stomach lining. For older adults, whose digestive systems are often more sensitive, this irritation can become chronic and lead to more serious issues like ulcers or frequent heartburn. Moreover, drinking coffee first thing can cause a sharp spike in cortisol levels, the body's natural stress hormone. High cortisol levels can cause jitteriness, elevated heart rates, and even digestive distress. Cortisol also plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar, and consuming coffee on an empty stomach can lead to a sudden fluctuation in blood glucose levels. This can cause feelings of lightheadedness, anxiety, and fatigue, especially for those with existing blood sugar issues. Studies have shown that drinking coffee on an empty stomach can lead to increased stomach acid production and contribute to higher levels of cortisol. Lucini et al., 2010. This can exacerbate feelings of stress, anxiety, and digestive discomfort, which are less than ideal for anyone, especially seniors trying to maintain their health and well-being. How to fix it? Instead of reaching for coffee immediately, try having a small snack or light meal first. A piece of fruit, a small handful of nuts, or a slice of toast with some nut butter are great options to stabilize your blood sugar and reduce the strain on your digestive system. After you've had a small meal, your body will be better equipped to handle coffee without the side effects of acid reflux or anxiety. This simple change can not only improve your digestion, but also help maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. Mistake 4. Ignoring morning stiffness and moving too quickly. One of the most common mistakes seniors make in the morning is ignoring morning stiffness and rushing to move. After hours of sleep, your muscles and joints become stiff due to reduced circulation and decreased production of synovial fluid, the lubricant that helps your joints move smoothly. Many seniors overlook this stiffness, thinking it's just a normal part of aging, and proceed to jump out of bed or perform quick, abrupt movements. This habit can result in sprains, muscle strains, and falls. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity highlights that gentle morning stretches and light movements before getting out of bed can significantly reduce the risk of injuries and improve flexibility. Makami et al. 2017. When muscles aren't properly stretched, they remain tight and more prone to injury. Also, as we age, the reaction time and balance required to compensate for sudden movements becomes slower, increasing the chances of a fall. A fall can lead to debilitating consequences for seniors, including fractures, head injuries, and loss of mobility. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, falls are the leading cause of injury-related death among older adults, accounting for over 30,000 deaths annually in the United States alone. How to fix it? The best remedy is to take a few minutes to stretch gently before getting out of bed. Start by moving your fingers and toes to get your blood circulating. Then rotate your ankles and wrists. Stretch your arms overhead and move your legs slowly in a circular motion to loosen up your hips. These simple stretches can increase your blood flow, improve flexibility, and get your muscles ready for the day ahead. By giving your body time to warm up, you'll be able to avoid injuries and move confidently throughout your day. Small changes for long-term health benefits. As we've explored, these 4 morning mistakes may seem minor, but they can have significant consequences for seniors. The good news is that all of these issues are preventable, and with small changes to your morning routine, you can reduce your risk of heart problems, digestive issues, falls, and more. Taking proactive steps in the morning, such as drinking water first thing, eating before coffee, moving slowly to avoid dizziness, and stretching to ease joint stiffness, can make a huge difference in your health and independence. It's about recognizing that your body needs a little extra time and care to function at its best as you age. You don't need to make drastic changes all at once, but starting with small adjustments to your morning routine can help set the tone for a healthier day and a healthier life. Awareness is the first step toward maintaining your well-being and improving your quality of life. By listening to your body and treating it with care, you can enjoy your later years with confidence and strength. So, take a moment to reflect on your own morning habits. Are you making any of these mistakes? Which one can you adjust starting tomorrow? Remember, the choices you make today can shape your health and well-being for years to come. By taking charge of your morning routine, you empower yourself to live a long, healthy, and independent life. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hearing how these tips work for you. Let's continue to take care of our health together, one small step at a time.